Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to change alternator on Honda Accord V6, only way. Start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal to prevent short circuits and accidental starts. Remove the serpentine belt using a tensioner tool and keep track of belt routing. Unplug electrical connectors from the alternator and remove mounting bolts carefully. Handle the alternator gently to avoid damage and set it aside for replacement. Position yourself with clear access to the alternator and support the engine if needed. Use a 12 mm or 14 mm socket to remove the lower than upper mounting bolts while holding the alternator steady. Carefully unplug the harness and detach the positive cable from the terminal nut, keeping hardware organized for reinstallation. Gently withdraw the alternator from the bracket, watching nearby hoses and sensors to avoid contact or damage. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps me keep making useful content. Quick recommendation. On another note, life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They stay comfortable during long jobs and bold repairs. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab what you need. Now let's get back to the video. Place the new alternator into position and hand thread the mounting bolts to ensure proper alignment before tightening. Reconnect the electrical harness and secure the main power cable to the terminal nut with care. Reinstall the serpentine belt following the correct routing and relieve the tensioner to seat the belt fully. Double-check all connections, torque values, and belt tension. Then reconnect the negative battery cable and start the engine to verify charging operation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.